Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to change unit. So if you want to change units in ZWCAD, you can type unit, press enter, and will be show for drawing units dialog box. In here you can change for the length, type as default in decimal. You also can set into architectural, and this is for the precision. You can change for the type of the angle as a default to be set into decimal degrees, and this is for the precision. And for the insertion scales, if you want to insert the object, like you can move into inch. So if you insert, the object will be converted into inch. If you set into millimeter, will be set into the millimeter. If you done, you can click OK. Click OK again. Now, as example, I will draw rectangles with dimension 50 and 50. Okay, you can type dim line to create a dimension linear in the bottom here, like this. So if you draw the circle, like here, it will be set for the inch for the value. So if you want to set into millimeter, you can type again units, press enter, and you can change this type into the decimal. Click OK, and if you create circle, will be set into the matrix as the value. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorial, how to change unit. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.